Bhaktambar Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 2. Its resolution for eulogy, come invocation. Prose order, verse number 2. First line of verse number 2 contains the words Yaha संस्तुताः सकल वाङ्मय तत्व बोधा. For meaning completion we have to take here ta from next line first word. Yaha, that means the one who, sanstutah, get eulogized, it's eulogized, ZPD. Sakal, that means all, or can say complete. Vangmay, here 12 types of sacred sections, or can say of 12 types of sacred sections. And Tattva Bodhat means by real knowledge. Last two words contains the meaning by real knowledge of 12 types of sacred sections. Okay, next line contains the words Udbhut Buddhi पटुभिः सुर लोक and नाथय. Here Udbhut, that means uncurtailed. Buddhi, that means Buddhi Patubhi. Buddhi, its wisdom, and Patubhi became proficient, can say proficient by wise wisdom. Surlok, that means celestial deities, residers of heaven. Nathai, it's Surlok Nathai, joint meaning of these two words become of celestial deities. Next line of verse number 2, it's isto trahi jagat ritaya chit harahi udarahi. Words splitting is because of Sanskrit Vyakaran. You will find Sanskrit Vyakaran in same channel in playlist. Okay, Stotrahi, that means by eulogies. Jagat Tritaya, it's of people belong to the three worlds or three universes, top, middle and lower. Chit, that means magnetizing, or can say magnetizing the minds. Harai, here it's Harai, that means magnetizing, and Chit, minds. Chittaharai, magnetizing the minds. Udharai, it's praiseworthy. Now, last line of verse number 2, it's Istoshe, kill aham api तं प्रथमं जिनेन्द्रम. Istoshe, that means will go for eulogy. Kill, or can say will go for sounding eulogy. Here kill means for sure. Aham, it's I, or can say me. Api, it's also. Tam, that. Prathamam, first in 24, and Jinendra, it's of Lord Jina. Here prose order of verse number 2 is over. Now let us go through the chart and try to understand the complete meaning of verse number 2. Here first of all, the main word of this verse number 2 is Yaha. Yaha, that means the one who is that one? That is none other than first Tirthankara, Lord Adinatha. Yaha Sanstutaha. Sanstutaha, that means who get eulogized. Eulogized by whom? By Sur Lok Nathai, that means by celestial deities. Now, how those celestial deities became proficient? So, Sakal Vang Maya Tattva Bodha Dud Budh Buddhi Patubhi. These celestial deities became proficient by gaining the complete knowledge of 12 types of sacred sections, and their wisdoms became proficient due to same. How those celestial deities come front for eulogy of Lord Adinatha? By eulogies, Stotrahi. How those eulogies are? So they are like Jagat Tritaya, Chit Harai, Rudharai. That means they are such that having power of hypnotizing the minds of people belong to 3 worlds, and they are praiseworthy. Here Mantung is taking resolution for theology in a way. Istoshe, that means I. Istoshe will go for theology. Kila Hamapi Tam Prathamam Jinendram, that means I will also go for theology of first in 24 Lord Jinendra, that is Lord Adinatha. Now just hear the complete meaning at once. I, Mantung, also will go for theology of first Tirthankara Jinendra Adinatha, for sure, who get eulogized by celestial deities, who became proficient after gaining knowledge of 12 types of sacred books by magnetized and praiseworthy theologies for the people belong to the 3 worlds. This is the end of description of verse number 2.